Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make tacos birria. We'll start by preparing the rich, tender meat, which is the heart of this dish. Then, I'll guide you through crafting the flavorful consommé, perfect for dipping. Finally, we'll assemble and cook these incredible tacos, ensuring a truly satisfying meal. Get ready to create a delicious birria experience right in your own kitchen. For the most tender birria, choose cuts like chuck roast or beef short ribs. Begin by searing your meat in a large pot until it's beautifully browned on all sides, which builds a deep flavor base. Then, combine the seared meat with a rich blend of rehydrated chilies and aromatic spices. Allow this mixture to simmer slowly for about 2.5 to 3.5 hours until the meat is incredibly tender and easily shredded with a fork. After the meat is cooked, carefully remove it from the pot. Strain the remaining cooking liquid to create a smooth, rich consommé, discarding any solids. Skim off some of the excess fat from the surface, but leave a little for flavor and for dipping the tortillas. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. This flavorful broth is essential for dipping your finished tacos. To assemble, dip corn tortillas into the flavorful consommé, ensuring they are coated. Place the dipped tortillas on a hot griddle or skillet. Fill them with your shredded birria meat and a generous amount of Oaxaca or Monterey Jack cheese. Fold the tacos and cook them until they are golden brown and the cheese is perfectly melted. Serve immediately with a side of warm consommé for dipping, garnished with fresh cilantro and finely diced onion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.